You can move to Spain in 90 days or less in 2026 without a degree, without using any agent, if you use the right visa path from day one. And most people waste 6 months chasing the wrong options. And the fastest route right now is either the Digital Nomad Visa or the job seeker entry strategy. I will show you exactly how both works, because speed is not about luck, it's about choosing the right path that Spain has already made easy. And right now, Spain is actively allowing foreigners to relocate faster than before. But the mistake people make is very simple. They start with the hardest part. They go for school visas they can't even afford, or they start applying for jobs from their home country and they keep waiting and hoping. That delay is what killed the timeline, but today I will break it down clearly. If your goal is speed, you need the entry first and stability later, and no the other way around. The first option is Digital Nomad Visa. This is currently the fastest route right now. If you already work online, this is almost unfairly easy. You see that remote job, freelance, or even small online income can qualify. Spain just wants proof that you earn from outside the country. That requirement is simple. It's roughly around 2,500 to 3,000 euros monthly income. But here is where people get strong. They think they need a very big company, but they don't. You see, clients, remote work, contracts, even your own online business works. What matters is proof, your bank statement, your contract, and invoice. That is it. And once you have that, you apply through the official immigration portal or the Spanish consulate website. And the processing is fast compared to other visas, and sometimes it's within weeks. Now, let me walk you through it like you're on your phone. Now, go to the official Spanish immigration site, search for Spain Digital Nomad Visa application. You will see requirements clearly listed, your income proof, clean criminal record, health insurance. That is your checklist. Then you prepare for your documents, you upload, you submit, and then you wait. That is the entire system. No hidden step, no secret agents. Now compare this to the job route. Applying for job outside Spain is slow, like it's very slow. Companies prefer people who are already in Spain, so if you are applying from abroad, you are already at a disadvantage. But here is a smarter version of this. You enter Spain first, then search for job locally. You can do this through the Schengen visa or the visa-free entry if your passport allows it. And once you are inside Spain, everything changes. You attend interview physically, you network, you become real to employers, and that's the difference. Now, here's the key insight. Speed becomes proximity and not just your qualification. You being in Spain increases your chances instantly. Now, let's be practical. If you don't have a remote income yet and no job offer, then your fastest move is this. You enter Spain legally, then stay within your allowed period. Use that time aggressively to apply for jobs. Then target industry that hires foreigners in hospitality, construction, care work, and logistics. These sectors move fast. They don't overcomplicate hiring, but you must act too fast because time is limited. Now, here's another option people ignore right now, which is the student route. But not the expensive version of this. There are short-term courses in Spain that cost less. In language schools, vocational schools, these schools can give you entry. And once you are in Spain, you can switch pathways. But again, don't overthink it. If speed is your focus, don't pick the path with the most paperwork. Pick the one with the less resistance. That is how people relocate quickly. Moving fast does not mean skipping rules. Spain is straight with documents. If your papers are not complete, you will get delayed or rejected. So speed comes from preparation and not shortcuts. Everything must be clean, clear, and organized. Now, here's something most people won't tell you. Your first move doesn't have to be perfect. It just have to get you in. And once you are in Spain, you can adjust, you can switch jobs, you can upgrade your visa, build connection. That flexibility is where real progress happens. Not outside the country, but inside. That is why people who wait for the perfect plan stay stuck. And people who take the fastest legal entry move forward. Now, let me simplify everything in one flow. If you already earn online, go for the Digital Nomad Visa immediately. Prepare your documents, apply. That is your fastest clean route. But if you don't earn online, then enter Spain legally. Use your stay to secure job locally. Focus on fast hiring sectors. If you need more time, then use a short-term study program. It's simple, direct, and effective. And one more thing, avoid agents that promise guaranteed job or fast visa. Spain doesn't work like that. If someone is rushing you with paper documents, that's a red flag. Always verify through their official sources. Always. because one mistake can delay you for months or even years, and that defeats the whole process of moving fast. If you are watching this and you are serious about relocating, make sure to subscribe because I break down real pathway like this step by step without confusion, so you don't waste your time and money. Now here's the truth. Spain is one of the easiest countries in Europe to enter right now, and most people knock on the wrong door and they say it's hard. It's not hard, it's just misdirection. So focus on speed with clarity. Pick a path, prepare your documents, take action, because the longer you wait, the slower it becomes. And if you want exact step-by-step breakdown on how to secure a job in Spain after your arrival, watch the next video on your screen. That is where everything connects. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.